Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence Tierra here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my flat iron routine on relaxed hair. Right now my hair is cut into a short bob. I did cut it not too long ago. I'm going to post the link to that down in the description box if you want to see how I cut my hair. Right now I'm just blow drying my hair. I am starting on freshly washed hair. I do use the Pantene conditioner and shampoo repair treatment on my hair, and it absolutely loves it. I do like to start in the back just so that I can make sure I get everything there. It is hard to kind of see in the back, you guys will be able to tell, but you just want to make sure that you're getting each section, and I do go over it once when I'm doing that. That way you're not putting too much heat on your hair. After going over my hair once, I go over it one more time. On the second time, you'll actually see me bumping the ends of my hair just to give it that silk press look. So the first time, I just go through to straighten it, and then the second time, I bump the ends. Alrighty, so it's actually gonna fast forward to me flat ironing the rest of my hair. I didn't realize that my camera cut off while I was recording, but you guys do get the gist of it. I just pretty much did the exact same thing throughout this entire side. I didn't bump the ends over here. I just flat ironed it straight, and then you're gonna see me bump the ends in just a little bit. My hair has grown out since the last time I cut it, so I'm just trimming the ends just to make sure that it is all still the same length. And then right here is where I go ahead and bump the ends in the front just to give me like a feathered look. And after I bump the ends on the front, I'm just going to go in with some of my Murray's Beeswax Edge Control just to tame my baby hairs on the side. I don't put too much edge control just because I do want it to keep its natural look. And we are good to go. That is it. I'm just gonna wrap it up, and by the morning it'll be like a silk press. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, if you thought it was helpful. Leave some comments down below on what you use on your relaxed hair, and I will see you guys in my next video.